6 free bat house plans. This bat house looks so good, it's almost like placing a piece of modern art on your house. This single-chamber bat house is built out of cedar and plywood and measures 18 inches wide and 24 inches high. The inside of the house is grooved so the bats have a nice place to hang and rest. All the supplies cost less than $20, making it a budget project that doesn't look like one. This well-thought-out bat house plan has been designed after a lot of research on why bat houses fail or succeed. It's a 3-chamber bat house so it can hold a ton of bats at one time, around 70 of them. This large bat house measures in at 26 inches by 18 inches. The inside of the bat house is made textured by cutting a crosshatch pattern in the inside wood pieces before assembly. Kids can get involved in building a bat house, and this free plan uses a build-your-own bat cave learning activity so kids can learn to build while learning all about bats at the same time. Besides the building directions and photos, there's also a video that takes you through the whole process. Just a few boards and a sheet of plywood are used to build this DIY bat house. This plan takes you through gathering your materials, cutting the wood, and assembling the bat house. It's an easy-to-follow plan, and you'll have a finished bat house of your own by the end of the afternoon. You'll need just 2 cedar boards cut into a few different pieces to build this simple bat house. It has a nice sleek design that would look great on the side of your home. Along with the material list and building instructions, there's a great video that takes you through this simple project. This detailed tutorial will take you through each step of building a bat house. The inside is notched, giving the bats plenty of room to hang on and rest. It's also tightly sealed to protect them from predators. There are lots of other tips here that you won't want to miss. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.